Hello friends, today we are going to start the third unit, that is projection of solid. What do you mean by solid? Solid is a three-dimensional diagram having length, breadth and height. There are basically two major types of the solid. The first one is polyhedra and second one is solids of revolution. Polyhedra are the solids which are bounded by plane figure. The first type of the polyhedra is a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is made up of four equilateral triangles. The shape of that tetrahedron may be like this. This is a four equilateral triangle. Then second type of polyhedra is a cube. Cube is also known as hexahedron. We know that cube is made up of 6 squares. Which is a cube. Then third type of the polyhedra is a prism. Prism is a polyhedra having the top and bottom surface as a plane figure. Any plane figure from square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, and all these corners are connected to the top surface with the help of rectangle. This is a prism. If the base figure is a square, it is known as square prism. If the base is a rectangle, it is known as rectangular prism. If it is a triangle, it is known as triangular prism. Means depending upon the shape of the base, the prism is named. If it is a pentagon, pentagonal prism. And the last is a pyramid. Pyramid is again a polyhedra having base as a plane figure. Here I am taking base as a rectangle, and all the corners of the base are connected at one point. That point is known as apex. So again, same as prism, the name of the pyramid depends upon the shape of the base. If it is a triangle, it is known as triangular pyramid. If it is a square, base is square, it is known as square pyramid. If base is a pentagon, it is known as pentagonal pyramid. In all these cases, in case of pyramid, this is apex, this is known as slant edge or longer edge, this is known as base edge, and imaginary line joining the apex and center of the base is known as axis. Axis is always denoted by center line. Then this is known as triangular face. In case of prism, the imaginary line joining the center of the base and center of the top is known as axis. Then these are known as top edges or shorter edges. These are known as bottom edges or shorter edges. These are longer edges. This is a top surface, this is a bottom surface, and this is a rectangular surface. Then in case of cube also, this is axis. In case of tetrahedron also, this is axis. Then the second type of the solid is solid of revolution. Solid of the revolution are the solids which are generated by revolution of the plane figure. The first one is a cylinder. Cylinder is generated by revolution of a rectangle by fixing one of its side. If you fix this side and if you rotate this, you will get a solid which is known as cylinder. Then this is the curved surface, this is a top surface, this is a bottom surface. The imaginary line joining the center of the top circle and bottom circle is known as axis, and this is the height of the cylinder. This is the diameter of that circle. Then second type of the solid of revolution is a cone. Cone is generated by revolution of right angle triangle by fixing one of its perpendicular side. If you rotate this in any direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, you will generate a figure which is known as cone. As you know that this is a slant edge, this is the bottom or base circle, then the imaginary line joining this apex point and center of the base is known as axis. And the last one is the sphere. Sphere is generated by revolution of a semicircle. If you fix the diameter of the semicircle and if you rotate that, you will get a sphere. So these are the types of solid. Once again I am repeating, solid is a three-dimensional diagram. The solids are basically divided into two types. The first one is polyhedra, bounded by the plane figure, and the second type is solids of revolution, generated by revolution of plane figures. In polyhedra, the first one is a tetrahedron, second one is cube, third one is prism, fourth one is pyramid. See the difference in the prism and pyramid. In case of prism, the top and bottom surface is a plane figure. In case of pyramid, the only bottom surface is a plane figure. Then the axis is an imaginary line joining the center of the top and center of the bottom. In case of prism and cylinder and cube, in case of cone and pyramid, it is an imaginary line joining the apex and center of the base. Now we are going to learn the projection of solid problem. I hope that you will like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.